Have you ever wondered what moss and lichen can do to your roof? Probably not, but you should. Moss and lichen spores are everywhere. They move around in the wind like seeds until they land on a surface that they can grow on. One of the spore's favourite places to grow is on your roof. Clean air, regular rain, and a little shade is all they need to flourish, and then spread from house to house. Once they have landed, the spores take hold in the small hollows and imperfections on the roof, and then spread rapidly through a network of tiny roots. If left untreated, the organic growth can then block the water channels and damage the surface coating and structure of the roof. Over time, this can allow water to penetrate, also known as a roof leak. At this stage, the only solution is a costly repair or a re-roof. The Edwards and Hardy Roof Maintenance Program kills all organic growth on your roof, and then the New Zealand weather carries the dead growth away, leaving your roof clean after a period of time. Our 1-year guarantee means that if there's anything left growing after a year, we'll come back and treat it again for free. An Edwards and Hardy Roof Maintenance Program is the best way to keep your roof in great shape. Contact us today and get your roof maintenance program started with Edwards and Hardy.